Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain what is field validator and model validator in the Pydantic model in the Python. So I will start from field validator. Uh, so basically, whenever you define something and you want to validate any of the field like age or name, you will use the field validator basically for the particular field. But when you are working on the model validator, you are working for the complete model. So that is the basic difference between the self validator and the model validator. So starting from the field validator, I have just created a simple example on it, and it's basically I have defined a user, and in the base model has been defined for the user, where I have defined two things: age in the form of in the form of integer, and a name in the format of string, where I am using the field validator for the name and I'm using the class method for defining. So here I have created a decorator with the name of validator, and I have passed this class and this value, which will this value directly uh, uh, directly defined for the name, you can say. So I have created a simple if conditions, like if length of value is less than 3. I mean here I mean the character, like the character of the name value is lesser than 3, then I will just raise an value error which is needs more character for name. So if you see, I have defined user age 24 and name S. So if you see S is only one character. So by sure it will um show the error. You can see the error now. I will just clear it so you can see directly here. So you see it's needs more character for name, which is the same value error here, you can see, right? Same if you want to create for the age, you can create for age here, like age, same validator value. If the age is less than 16, then we will get the error, and if not, then we'll not get the error. Like it's 24, then we will not get the error, we can print directly. It will not print if length of okay. So basically it's direct value, it's not a value, that's why we are getting this error. And you can see we can print this because age is 24. But if I will just make it 2, then we can see the age error now, right? So if you want to define for age for a name, but in the real life model you have so many things here, and you can't define everything every for everything with the field validator, like field validator for name, field validator for age, like that. If you want to, there is two methods you can combine it, like here age, but you have to use is instance now. Like you can check the type and then you can create an field validator. But if it is something which is for uh, all the uh, all the defined schemas, so basically you can directly use the model validator here. Like I have defined here for this the same example with the help of the model validator. So basically we have age and name. I have used the model validator where the mode is after, and this is the more convenient way um, to create a validation on the defined schema. So here I have defined the validator where I pass the self, and if self dot age basically direct to the self here, and if it is less than 18 we got the age error, and if it is self dot name is less than 3 character, then it will raise an value error. So in the end we are returning the self. So this is more better and better approach than the field validator, but yeah, so both have their uh, own needs on their own positions. Like if you want to add only for the field, then better to use the field validator, but if it is something which is for the complete defined schema or the complete model, so better to use the model validator. So this is the basic example where you can understand what is the difference between the field validator and model validator. So I think you have already understand about these two methods. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.